Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficial.
Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are here in Kharpocho and the beautiful place and best area of the Kharpocho, and we are going to the peak site and our all family is here and we are going to start our journey.
So guys, the Saim is going up the stairs, so I am going also there. So the weather is quite hot today, so we bring umbrella with us. If you also come in this spring or summer, what season is this, come with umbrella. If there's raining, you should also come with umbrella with you. So let's go, we will start our beautiful journey. Let's go.
So guys, we are going to upside and look at me with umbrella.
Yes,
because
guys,
it is very hot season and we are going upside.
So guys, we have bring some food with us.
Hello, assalamualaikum guys. It is a beautiful place in Skardu. You should also come here. Thousands of people come here and enjoy. I'm also enjoying this.
3 points that you should keep in your mind: that don't come with heels, but come with joggers.
Yes.
And bring fresh water and cool water with you, and bring
umbrella.
And
I will show you the beauty of this place. Look, the beauty of the Skardu. You can see here Juma Masjid and all of the place, greenness and water, and in this river there is
Karakoram mountains.
yes, Karakoram mountain range, Himalayan mountain range. All can you see here, and I think there is fire on the.
You should come with water because water is best to your health.
What was the king name?
Sher Khan Anchal.
Yes, the Sher Khan Anchal. He was the king here, and the historical Kharpocho. It is very historical Kharpocho royal fort. It is a royal fort. Whereas it was 14th century. It's made in 14th century.
Yes.
So
There's modern arms, and the east and same west writers. It remembered unquite introduction of the modern army and modern army. So there's written about Khan Anchal. He was the king, and he ruled about this. He ruled in the kingdom of beautiful. So let's go. I think there's written more information about Kharpocho. We will tell you. So let's go.
Here is safety fence. We do not want to make disturbance and noise here, because if you fall down, you will die. Look at how up
if you come with your children, or 10 or 3 year of children come here, so take care of this. Only here are fences, but there's not fences. Look at the mountains. It is so much scary. Why I am taking so much breath?
Let's go. Look guys, here you can see all the Baltistan shops and places, and you can see the endless river. And here is always there a place to sit and watch the beautiful places of Skardu.
Yes, I have seen the Tivra Science Mat also vlogs. Here, I forgot the name. I think his name was, what his name was? Jain. He come and visit the beautiful places. Yes. And he was doing introduction about the Kharpocho. I feel very happy that he.
But the fence are made in steel, metal. I think it is not the wood making. So we are going upside. See you now. Most dangerous place in here is this side. You can see it is broken, and if you walk up down, then you will free of your fate, and it is very important for our exercise of daily life. And I suggest a message for the Skardu mans that they come here and do exercise daily. Thanks. Look guys, there is it in Kharpocho, and we are finally on there, and we are going.
Sam, can I ask something?
Yes.
If they will take a ticket?
Yes, they will take ticket.
How much will be that?
Yeah, I think 150 rupees.
Okay, that's nothing. Come.
So guys, we are here finally.
Hooray!
The day of the Kharpocho, and we are here.
Hooray, we come.
Yes.
I'm very thirsty.
Kharpocho, this is a man gate.
बिस्मिल्लाह।
हाँ जी, खरपुचो बनाया है 800 ईस्वी में 7,000 फौज ने 41 साल से बन चुका है। 1190 से राजा मापुन इब्राहिम आ रहा है। इसके बाद अस्ताक सेंगे, सिख सेंगे, बुक सेंगे, गोतचे सेंगे 1300 से मुसलमान मुकम्मल हुआ है। 1400 में राजा बुहार मापुन है। 1500 में शेर अली खान अंचन है। 1600 में अहमद खान है। 1700 में दौलत नसीर है। 1840 तक अहमद मापुन है। खारपुर जो बनाया है बेनी के लिए नहीं बनाया है, जंग के लिए बनाया है। खारपुर जो 8 मंजिल बनाया है। 7 मंजिल इंडिया ने 1948 के दौरान से वो आग जलाया, 7 मंजिल गिराया, खत्म किया। 1 मंजिल रह गया, लोगों ने गिराया। ये है काम।
This fort is not for staying. It's for fighting with another
Wars.
empire. Yes, war in 1900 CE, and there was 8 floors of it. But the Indian burned the floor, and the last one the Muslim broke it, and this is the last area.
Yes, he has more information
Yes.
about this. There wars between India and Pakistan.
And this is very beautiful and like
Comfortable.
historical places.
Yes.
And there was many kings of this fort. Thousands of kings stay here and go.
Guys, look, you can also see, because this is old, because look at this fence and this wood.
Yeah.
These are so much old looking, and there's not we will go from there. What is the funny thing is that, so let's go inside. I cannot wait more. Guys, take my bag inside. How I can come?
Oh, give me.
So let's go.
So guys, we will show the beautiful places of Skardu. So let's go. Come with me.
And the door was very ouch. Now
Yeah,
look at that.
I was turning downside. Oh my god.
Now look at the beautiful
So scared. I'm
guys.
so scared to look. I will be aside. Look the beautiful place of Skardu. Oh my god, mashallah, so beautiful place.
Guys, look at that. There are more floors up.
Yes, there is 4th floor.
So guys, the prayer caller is calling the prayer call. So we will offer prayer on that.
It is the old masjid. I think it's
Mosque.
made now, and the beautiful place of the castle. There is castle. I am very happy. I think it is not beautiful, but it is very beautiful. Inside is beautiful.
And we also
look
look
at
we
this.
should eat
Here
food.
is more floors.
What we bring for lunch?
I think we bring kebab.
Yes, kebab and lace. Let's go.
Look guys, here is flower inside. Not real fake flower, but the old masjid is here. There is 2 doors, but now the first door is closed. Then this second door is also.
This is not a door. This is window. Are you gonna mat?
Here is lock.
Guys, it is going to broke. I think. Look at this. If someone stepped there, it's looking like that. It is coming out quick.
Oh, run,
Let's
run.
go.
So guys, we are in the top of it, but we are in fun interest, but we do not want to forget Allah. Allah is the biggest in this world. So we want to offer prayer. So I'm going to offer the prayer. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Bismillah. Oh God, increase my knowledge. All our people will happy their life. I will pray also for you and Palestine because they are in trouble. Oh God, save their lives and increase our knowledge. Thank you. This is the beautiful end of our vlog video. So like, share, subscribe my channel. Share is very important to my channel. What are you doing? Okay, sir. Okay, in next Sunday we will go another places like Chunda Valley and desert in that river. We will go, but you want to subscribe and share our channel.
We are
Thank
doing
you.
this all up for
and
you,
goodbye.
and we have you have liked our video, so we got our confidence level up. So we talk to the Angres. What they was from Mexico. And
Mexicans, we talk to Mexico.
Yes, Mexico, and what was that?
Mexican and Germany.
Germany, yes. So they were
Thank
very-
you, bye
Thank you.
bye.
Nice to meet you. See you again.